This is Mark Smithers. Welcome to Emigh's Outdoor Living, our barbecue department. Let's talk about cleaning your Weber gas grill. There's a couple of important things to do on cleaning your grill. Got to get the outside clean. You want it to look good. You want to keep the inside clean for safety's sake, quality of your food, and avoiding those grease flare-ups that you can get. So the first thing, let's look at the outside. On your enameled surfaces, Traeger makes a good grill cleaner. We use it on a lot of things. Cuts through grease, cuts through smoke residues, cleans out dirt. It's all natural based too, so it's even food safe. If your grill has stainless steel components, you want to get a good stainless steel cleaner. That would be for your stainless steel handles, tables, etc. If you have a stainless steel grill, stainless steel cleaner there. On the inside, a couple of things to do. Over time, from the smoke of what you're cooking, you will get some kind of flakes in here, food smoke residue. A plastic scraper is good for that. Just get those in, scrape that stuff off. It's going to fall down into your catch pan below. You only need to do that maybe a couple times a year, maybe once a year, depending how much you cook. As far as your cooking grates, a good wire brush will scrape those off. I like to heat my grates up, get that grease kind of solidified on there. It scrapes off nicely. There are also natural bristle brushes that you can use. The steel wire ones are just fine. The natural ones, you don't have the risk of the wires coming loose in them. Not a big risk, but some people are concerned, so there is that other option. As far as the inside of the grill, once you've got your grates clean, take them out of the way. And your flavorizer bars, scrape them off with that plastic scraper as well. You don't have to go nuts keeping these clean because they're just covering the fire. Just get the grease stuff and the residue off of them. There are burners down in here, and those burners you will want to, on occasion, a couple times a year, kind of get a soft bristle brush and kind of brush over those holes there to make sure your gas flames are not obstructed. The way Weber sets their grills, all the grease falls through, drips on the flavorizer bars, rolls down into the drip tray below. Important to keep that clean. So underneath your grill, will be your drip pan. All the loose stuff is going to fall down into here. You can buy these, replace them out when they get full. You can put aluminum foil in here, but don't let this accumulate. Get too much grease in there, it starts to get kind of nasty. And the way it all ends up in there is with this drip pan. So everything that is dripped down from the top is falling onto here and coming down into this. Lots of people forget to clean this off, but this is the first spot that the grease falls. So you do want to keep that clean up. You get too much grease in there, you do run the risk of the grease fire. I hate to say those words, but a little maintenance and you'll never have it happen. And the one other important point on keeping a grill clean, get the right cover for it. It's going to keep the dirt off. It's going to protect those components inside from moisture, the rain and that. Your car in the driveway gets a lot dirtier than in the garage. Might still be just as good, but keeping it covered keeps it protected. It's going to make that grill last a lot longer. Thank you very much. Come on down and see us here at Emigh's Outdoor Living, the barbecue department. Thank you.